Well, had we not participated in the American war, after 9/11, we would not have been the world's dangerous country. By participating in the war, and I repeat, I was against it. Because you see, here in the 80s, we were training these mujahideen, people to do jihad against the Soviets when they occupied Afghanistan. So these people were trained by Pakistan, funded by the American CIA. And now, a decade later, when the Americans come into Afghanistan, the same groups who are all in Pakistan are supposed to say that no, now because the Americans are there, it's no longer jihad, it's terrorism. It was a big contradiction, and I strongly felt that Pakistan should have been neutral, because by joining in, these groups turned against us. So we lost 70,000 people. We lost, as I said, over $100 billion to the economy. And in the end, we were blamed for the Americans not succeeding in Afghanistan. I felt it was very unfair on Pakistan.